Hello and welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to make a very refreshing and healthy drink, papaya shake. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. For this special drink, we'll require only 3 ingredients, that's papaya, approximately 500 grams, honey, 2 to 3 tablespoons, milk full fat, 400 ml. Now we'll be adding all the papaya to the blending jar. We have taken approximately 500 grams of papaya over here and cut into medium size. Adding honey to it, 2 tablespoons. Honey itself has so much of health benefits. Now I'll add little bit of milk, approximately 100 ml of milk, so that it blends well. While blending, we are not going to add all the milk together. We'll add it gradually. Now closing the lid of the blender and blend it for 30 seconds. As we can see, it has blended so well. Now we can take the blending jar out of the mixer. The papaya has blended so well. So now we can add the remaining milk to it. Now we'll add the remaining 300 ml of milk. Once the milk has been added, we'll blend it for approximately 30 seconds again so that it blends well. It has blended so well and the consistency is also thick and nice. It looks good. Let's serve this. We can have this during our morning breakfast. It's so refreshing and tasty. We have made 2 glasses of papaya shake over here. If you want a bit more sweet, you can add honey on the top. It's a very healthy and soothing drink. Having this drink in the morning completely refreshes you. Always have this fresh when made. Papaya shake has so much of health benefits. It boosts your immune system and also helps in digestion. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share with your family and friends. Try this easy recipe at home and let me know in the comment box below. Thank you for watching.